So in our previous vlog, on paper, Spain works.
Lower cost of living, good healthcare, and slower pace.
But what about actually living there every single day?
Part 2 is not about numbers.
So it boils down to one question. Would the lifestyle actually make us happy?
So let's start something practical and very real. Healthcare.
Kami hanggang ngayon, tinuloy namin yung private.
How would you compare yung health services sa
Yung
state?
socialized, meaning yung government, medical, walang diferensya because it's the same doctor, it's the same expertise. Ako kasi spoiled ako eh. Nasanay na ako dun sa, ang tawag dun sa Nitas, ano? Yung medical center na pinupuntahan namin, sanay na ako dun. Okay, services. Services siguro, I would say, let's say, gagawa ko ng appointment ngayon sa private, siguro bibigyan ako ng 2 days. If I'm lucky, the next day. Siguro sa public, siguro 7 days. That's the difference. Oh, except emergency, syempre. But then the equipment, everything, yung expertise ng doctor, kung special,
So
pareho.
they're all comparable sa US.
Yeah. Kasi yung mga doktor doon, for example, yung doktor ko, pagka may mga days of the week na nasa ibang hospital siya, na ibang clinic siya, na public.
In part 1, it's about healthcare costs. Pero ngayon, it's different. It's all about the everyday life.
Alam nyo, it's one thing to say it's affordable, pero it's another thing to actually go to the doctor or to visit the medical facility.
Yes.
Healthcare system sa Spain, it works the same as parang HMO or PPO.
Yeah.
Parang dito sa Amerika, diba? And yung system nila sa Spain is simpler kasi mas integrated. So yung mga doctors can see public and private patients anytime. Hindi kasi katulad dito na pag Medicare doctor ka, Medicare, yun nga sabi nga ni Kuya Robert, diba? At saka meron ng comment dun sa first vlog na nagtatanong na what would happen kunyari maybe I think sa urgent care na there's a local and there's a foreigner or sinong uunahin daw. Siyempre, it depends on the
Severity of or the condition ng patient.
oh,
right?
di ba? It
Yeah.
has nothing to do with the nationality.
Nothing. But remember this, ang healthcare doesn't decide where you actually retire. But there are other factors to consider also.
Alam nyo, when you visit Spain as a tourist, you want to be in the city center. Kasi you want to get to see yung kung ano yung ma-offer ng city. Andyan yung mga landmarks, yung mga famous foods nila, di ba? Katulad ko sa Spain, andyan yung mga paella, pa ba? Mga tapas,
Ayun.
di ba? Sarap nun.
Iberico.
Iberico, oh yeah, you're right. Iberico, yung mga hamon.
So when you're actually living there, it's different. Kasi you want the more local life, like yung mga quieter streets, yung mga slow-paced,
Oo.
diba? Life, yung mga people around you.
Alam mo kasi yung mga city center na yan, so umpisa lang yan, pag turista ka, wow yan, wow. Yung mga nag-Airbnb ka and all that. Pero pag medyo kabisado mo na ng konti, hindi na big deal.
Tsaka gusto mo siguro yung mas yung mas peace and quiet, hindi na yung magulong,
Hustle and
yung hustle and bustle na city.
Yeah, yun, exactly.
Oo.
Diba yung food na mura lang. Sabi nga ni Janice, di ba? Araw-araw namamalengke siya eh.
I know.
Eh kasi yun ang gusto mo.
Oh.
Kasi fresh. Sila pa, hindi naman kamukha ng lifestyle natin na double door ang freezer, tapos yung iba nga may refrigerator pa sa garahe at pupunta sa Costco. Pag namili sa Costco, kala mo magtatayo ng tindahan.
know.
Ang lifestyle nila,
Fresh
yung standard nila, fresh.
Which is the
Kailangan,
best.
lahat,
The best.
vegetable, fruit, lahat fresh. Ibang-ibang buhay ko doon kaysa dito. Iba in the sense na doon, nagbibisikleta ako. Naglalakad. Si Janice, araw-araw yan.
Yan, naglalakad.
At least, yung palengke, mga 1 kilometer eh. 1.2 sa amin. Pero yung dinadaanan niya, yung park na maganda, yung mga maraming
Pero you
puno.
get to enjoy. Talaga yan.
Tiles ang tinatapakan mo.
Yan yung perfect example na you get to enjoy life.
Ngayon, gusto ko na i-promote yung well-being ko, no?
Yung-
Parang outlook ko sa buhay, parang gano'n.
So, itong magandang sinabi niya. Ang sabi ni Kuya Robert, he discovered himself. What does it actually mean?
Well, there are things that I realize in life na hindi ko alam Mahilig pala ako magbisikleta, parang bata. I miss yung childhood, parang gano'n. Mahilig ako sa tubig. Kasi being taga-Sambales siguro, nagsasummer ko. Hinahanap ko yung beach. Gusto ko yung mga yabang-yabang ko pag nakatayo ako sa paddleboard. Oo, para sa akin, makatayo doon, achievement.
Yeah.
Yung mga ganon, yung mga little things.
I think yung ibig sabihin nun is, he didn't just retire.
Mhm.
He became someone new. At ang maganda din dito is like if you love traveling, 2 hours away lang.
Mhm.
Andiyan ka na sa Paris, andiyan ka na sa Rome.
Lisbon.
Rome.
Yeah, sa Portugal.
Yeah.
Diba? Kasi Europe is like full of history. Yung mga streets nila, yung mga buildings nila, even the food has history. Diba?
Very much.
Yet, life goes on.
So for us, that part was amazing. Kasi, we love exploring. Especially Europe. Para siyang museum, di ba?
Oo.
Parang pag pumasok ka, andyan yung deep history,
yung culture.
traditions, nakikita mo.
Yeah.
But you know what stood out the most sa atin? Was one country, and that's Spain.
Yeah.
For some reason, yan ang sinasabi ko nga eh.
Mm-mm.
Talagang enjoy na enjoy kami when nandun kami.
Lalo ka na.
Oh.
Oo. So, tinanong din namin siya if he had to give up anything when they retired in Spain.
Give up or gain?
Oh yeah, what?
I'm not sure I give up something.
No.
Kasi yung sasabihin mo yung absence sa family,
Yeah.
hindi namin nararamdaman eh. Una-una matatandaan na sila, hindi naman sila mga bata na kailangan mo bantayan na araw-araw.
Sabi nga ni Janice na yung technology, andyan yung FaceTime.
Oh yeah.
That's there. Tsaka bumibisita sila.
Oo.
Yan.
Balik ulit. Balik here.
Eh gusto naman nila. Sila gusto nila. Gusto nila Spain
Kasi nga,
eh.
di ba, minsan yung mga batang pumupunta,
Oh,
pupunta sa inyo,
enjoy.
you can gain.
And I'll be honest with you, I don't want to be evangelical, spiritual,
Yeah.
na-improve. Kasi Spain is a very Catholic, Christian country.
Right.
Huwag lang yung mga simbahan, yung mga kanilang mga ceremonias like Holy Week. It's solemn and at the same time ceremonial.
Uh-huh.
Sabi naman niya na he felt that he didn't give up anything.
No.
Pero it looks like what he gained was peace and happiness.
And that's what counts.
Yeah.
But for us, it would be harder kasi we want to be close to our son.
Oo.
Siyempre,
Oo,
dito lahat.
nag-iisang anak mo
Oh,
yun.
uniko iho.
Oo.
After that, siyempre, we always look forward to yung future grandkids namin.
Yeah, spending time with the
Oo.
chikitings, yun.
Yeah.
So for him na he felt na he didn't give up anything, it's understandable eh. Kasi, di ba nga, malalaki na daw yung mga anak niya, which is true, di ba? May sarili-sariling buhay.
Yeah.
So sila rin mag-asawa, meron na rin sariling buhay,
Of
di ba?
course. Yeah. So distance really doesn't mean disconnect.
Mhm.
Kasi with all these things that we mentioned, diba?
Yeah. Nung
So-
nakita kami, nagbabakasyon sila dito sa California.
How many months sila dito?
I
Tagal
think-
rin.
I think 3 months. So,
3 months.
tapos
Oh,
nun, balik
yun.
na sila ng Spain.
Good life siya.
Compare mo yung cost of living. To be honest with you, I don't care about the cost of living. Kahit na yung presyo ng Spain, kapareha nito, yung quality of life, pipiliin ko pa rin. It just so happened good. Bonus na yun, di ba? No? Para ganun.
It really
Yeah.
means na happy sila
Happy
doon.
sila.
Oo.
That's the reason why they're retired over there.
Yeah.
Sa Malaga. Napakagandang lugar. We haven't been there, but I've seen how it looks like.
Mhm. That's something to look
That's
forward to.
something
na.
I think it's nice if we also retire there kasi malapit sa dagat yun.
So are you considering?
No.
Bakit?
No, we are considering, but we need to brush up on our Espanol.
Parang then you start realizing, I don't need much to be happy.
Yeah, exactly.
Well, obviously, it's worth it. I would say it's one of the best decisions we ever made.
We believe that kasi the way he talks lang, alam mo na, content sila eh.
Oh.
Masaya sila.
The way that they describe Spain.
Oo, talagang malalaman mo, talagang happy sila. Very
Oo.
content.
I don't know if it's a Filipino thing in our DNA. For example, pumunta ka sa France, magagandahan ka sa France. Ganda, wow! Pero hindi mo ma-feel. Pumunta ka sa London, sa UK, oh wow, ang ganda. Pero hindi mo ma-feel. Pag pumunta ka sa Spain, nagagandahan ka, pero na-feel mo. It gets into you.
So, Spain has its own beauty. Well, according to Kuya Robert, sinabi niya, it gets into you. In my opinion, talagang malaking impact sa akin. Ewan ko bakit. Iba yung dating niya eh.
Oo.
Like iba-ibang lugar. We traveled from Barcelona, Valencia. Each place has its own unique features.
Mm-mm.
And I don't know what it is, but it's...
Iba yung basta iba talagang dating
Yung
ng Spain.
architecture, nakakaaliw. Tsaka yung mga, wala, yung tao, the weather.
Pagkain. Siguro I think kasi parang parang feeling mo nasa Pilipinas ka rin kaya?
Yeah.
Siguro, no?
Oo.
A part of
Kasi
it.
we can relate. Kasi,
Oo.
you know, I mean, mga traditions nila pareho.
Oo.
Tsaka yung mga simbahan, magaganda talaga.
Mm.
Napakaganda. Very, very deep ang history talaga, no?
This is not about convincing anyone, ha?
Mhm.
It's about asking the right questions na sasagutin yung mag-asawa, di ba?
Yes.
Before making the decision.
Mhm. So retirement is not a vacation. Neither is it a 10-day trip, but it's a life decision.
So what you have to do is like visit the place,
Yeah.
stay for a few weeks or maybe
Para ma-immerse,
months, and
yeah.
para ma-immerse ka, di ba?
Yeah.
Go to the market, enjoy the tapas.
Mag-ride kayo ng bike. Diba?
Yeah.
Oh,
Live like a local.
hear the bells toll.
So that's why Spain, for some retirees, it's not just a destination. They call it home.
Mhm. So next time we go back, we won't go back there as tourists, but we want to live there and immerse ourselves, just like what we just said a while ago.
Para yung sabi mo, Japan, gusto mo magstay ng
Yeah.
a month or more
Oo.
than a month. Para makita rin talaga natin.
Yeah.
That's the best way for you
Yeah.
to be able to decide if that place is swak sa inyo,
Oh,
sa inyong mag-asawa.
it doesn't have to be your permanent place, but it could be your
Oh,
you
di
go
ba
to
sasabi
place,
nila na,
bakasyon, 3
yeah.
months, balik dito.
Oo. Mm-mm. And ang importante talaga is umupo kayo mag-asawa, discuss, and basta it has to be na-align kayo pareho.
Right.
Yeah.
So all we can say is, because at the end of the day, retirement isn't about leaving something behind.
It's about creating a life that will make you at peace.
Mhm.
So kahit saang parte ka ng mundo, basta masaya ka, yun ang importante. So that's it. Sana nagustuhan nyo ang ating vlog today. And thank you sa panonood nyo at hanggang sa muli. We'll see you in our next vlog.
Bye.
It's a new person.
Takes 2 to tango.
Mhm. Ang tago ba, Spain?
Tango, yeah.
Ah.